10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Where is 45?
Yeah.
Okay, please go. Yes.
Put a phone on it.
What's that?
Put a phone on it.
All right. So we had some technical issues that we were taking care of. So sorry about that. Sorry about the delay. So we're welcoming Panther, Strange Thinker, Emerald, Gugan, Cuckoo, Siddharth, Star. Yes, Chacha, I did. And I put it back on. So thank you for your gentle reminder. And so we have the all correct version of the match coming up. So at the price of $3. So it's very simple. You've got 9 puzzles to solve. And if you solve all of them and you're standing tall, you get to share the prize. If you lose any of the puzzles, if you don't solve them or you run out of time, then no big deal. You can use a life to jump back in. You can use 2 lives during the match and come back in. Last puzzle, of course, no way to use a life. All right. So before we get started, have a riddle. What has a bottom at the top? What has a bottom at the top? So that's the riddle. I'll look for your answers while we are solving. So let's go to question number 1. Teacup 3, 8, 9. The desired result is 4. Addition and subtraction. There are 8 possible solutions. Of course, all of them are equally acceptable. And so let's see what we come up with. Emerald, I don't know how a teacup would has a bottom at the top. I don't get it. So 47 of you have given a correct answer. And here's 4 possible solutions out of the 8 have been used. So congratulations to each and every one of you. Moving on to question 2 now. 35, 17, and 3. The desired result is 6. Addition, subtraction, and division. How do you get 6 from 35, 17, and 3? There is only one solution, so you better get it right. So by now you must have figured out what's going on, right? There is a subtraction followed by division. So wow, I guess you all figured it out. 45 of you got it, and you're all moving on to, 1 second. We're moving on to question number 3 now. Don't want to get ahead of myself. 5, 12, and 2. The desired result is 58. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Just 2 possible solutions, and I'm sure if you solve the previous one, this one should be pretty easy also. You just have to multiply the correct 2 numbers. And I applaud Emerald, who said that she was a 2nd grader, to be, bravely contesting in this. I'm impressed, Emerald. We've got 46 of you. Oh, somebody used a life, and somebody has used a life and then come back into it. So we got 46 of you solving. So we have regular gamers now. And yeah, Eastman, you're absolutely right. It's legs. So legs have bottom at the top. All right, great job. And so now we move on to question 4. 10, 2, 12, and 20. 10, 2, 12, and 20 to get 40. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. 94 possible solutions. So I'm just trying to see how you would do. Yeah, I mean, it's, you could possibly get it just with addition and subtraction. I hope that's what you're all doing. The 46 of you are solving it, and 42, we lost 4 of you. It was just addition of the biggest numbers and then subtract 2 out of it. So 11 out of the 94 solutions have been given by the 42 players. So congratulations to you as you move on to question 5. That's the decimals. 5.9, 6.6, 9.25, 1.2. The desired result is 2.05, and Tejas says got it and solved it. Great job. That was a pretty quick solution for decimals. Maybe we should throw in multiplication and divisions in there somewhere with decimals and fractions. So let's see how many of the 42 players are moving on. We got 43 of you. So one more life person has decided to use a life and come back in. We've got 4 out of the 60 possible solutions have been given, and 43 of you moving on to question 6. 19, 1, 2, and 16. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. The desired result is 50. How do you get 50 from 19, 1, 2, and 16? So there are 16 possible solutions, and Cool Math and Kausalya have already solved it. So I guess it's 2 times 16. Is that the way you solved it? Or, that seems to be an obvious solution. Is there anything that's not obvious? Okay, 16 times 2 plus 19, and then subtract 1 gets you 50. 29 of you have solved it, that way. And 34 of you are moving on to question number 7. 2, 6, 18, and 14. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. How do you get 48 out of this? 48 out of 2, 6, 18, and 14. There are 16 possible solutions. Kuku says that he or she got it, and Haritha Shri is also, looks like she got it. So let's see how many of you are the 30 plus are moving on to the next one. Wow, we lost almost half the crowd. 15 of you solved it. 8 possible solutions out of the 16 were given. I guess the solution was 18 minus 14 is 4, times 6 is 24, times 2 is 48. So that's the beauty of it, right? We give you all the solutions as well. So it's not anything tricky, and you could practice ahead of time and get better at it. So sorry, Richard, that you lost your connections as we move on to question 8. Half, 4/3, and 1/6. Addition, subtraction, and a desired result of 2. How do you get 2 from half, 4/3, and 1/6? Looks like a pretty, and there are 12 possible solutions, and looks like a pretty simple operation here. Is it just a matter of adding them all up, or was it more complicated than that? As we wait for the solutions, and who got it? 15 of you have gotten it right, and 6 out of the 12 possible solutions, it was just add them all up. And so I'm not surprised that you all got it correctly, and congratulations as we move on to the easy algebra. X, 3x, 4, desired result is 6, and what values of x would give you 6 as a desired result with x, 3x, and 4? You have 12 possible solutions. In terms of when you get it right, if it says watching, that means our server did not get your answer in the correct, within the time limit, and that's what has happened. So has to do with the connectivity issues on your end. So sorry about that. I think Cool Math, it's the nature of the technology, nature of the beast. So 15 of you have solved it correctly with x equal to 1, and 5 out of the 12 possible solutions have been used. So we've got 15 winners winning about 20 cents apiece. Let's go take a look at who they are. Tanuj, Shri, Siddharth, Rasiga Venkat, Parni, Black Mamba, Sujata, Kausalya, AG, SD, J Steets, Strange Thinker, Kumaran Jarvis, and Beard Boy 01. Congratulations to each and every one of you who played, and all of them, the winners as well. Thank you for joining us today and enjoying the game. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Until then, this is Saktivel signing off, reminding you, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero, play Number Royale every day. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.